Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In earlier video, basically we started with object-oriented programming. In earlier video, we done with class and objects. In earlier video, we almost completed class. So we left object part. So that's why in this video we will learn. I will teach you what are the objects and we will understand the basic of the objects in this video. So please watch this video by end. So let's start. So basically it is a basic unit of object oriented programming and represent the real life entities. So that we earlier that we see in our introduction part of the object oriented programming. So an object is an instance of a class. When a class is defined, no memory is allocated. But when it is instantiated, an object is created, memory is allocated. It means that when we created an class, so there is a the compiler is not given any memory to the class. So when we created an object, so the computer is given memory or allocated memory to that class. So an object has an identity, state, and behavior. Yes, and each objects contain data and code to manipulate the data. An object can interact with having to know details of each other data or code, and it is sufficient to know that type of message accepted and type of response returned by the objects. So let's see. So here is an example of a dog. So dog is a real life object. So which has some characteristics like color, breed, bark, shape, and property. And its. So in this, so there are the characteristics. We can say that properties of dog are breed, bark, shape, and breed, bark, sleep, and eats. So this is the properties. And the dog is a real life object. So here is a identity is the name of the dog and the attribute or state, breed, age, and color, and behavior. What are the behaviors are the what are the properties are there? Bark, sleep, and eat. So by seeing this small diagram, we will understand how objects work like. So in this diagram, we will see there is a class name is dog. So there is a object one, and object two. So that name is dog one and dog two. So dog has breed, age, and color, and behavior. Dog two behavior is bark, sleep, and eat. So dog three, dog three, and dog four. So dog three, there are several objects. Dog one, dog two, dog three, dog four. So they have same properties like same attributes or behavior like breed, age, color, and behavior, bark, sleep, and eat. So here we in previous video, please go through the previous video so that will by seeing this previous video, you will understand better objects and classes. Without knowing classes, you can't understand the objects. So please, I request you to please go in previous video. consider Consider the class of cars. So that this example we seen in previous video. So again we will see this example so for better understanding. So consider the class of cars. There may be many cars with different names and brands, but all of them will share some common properties like all of them have four wheels, speed limit, mileage range, etc. So here car is a class and the wheel, speed limit, mileage are their properties. So by uh, by uh, by see by knowing this example, so you will get some idea about class and object. So if you are not understand, so we will see another example like create an object called myobj and use it to print the value of color. So this is the example. So we will create a class that name is car. Then we will give the color name is red. We will create an object that is car my obj equal to new car. So this is a syntax. Sorry. So when we created any object, so first of all we will write the name of the class, then name of the class, then we will write the object name, then new, then class name, again class name, then curly bracket, small round bracket. Then we will write my obj dot color. So this is a object name and this color name is a behavior of that or characteristic of that object. I hope you will understand about object, and please go through the previous video for I kindly request to you for better understanding. Please do subscribe and keep watching. I will come with another video. Thank you.